And welcome to Bentley Motors headquarters in Crewe. Now, specifically, actually, the former Mulsanne production line, which, since that car ceased production in February, has been refurbished and it will become the finishing area for all future Bentleys. Now, I am thrilled to be joined today, socially distanced, of course, by the board members who will talk us through Beyond 100, which will see a 100-year-old company become a leader in sustainable luxury mobility.
Our mission now is to make our total enterprise carbon neutral and the factory carbon positive, i.e. absorb more or offset more than we actually create. Our cars in the future will look as inspirational and as glorious as they do today. And whilst we're already very proud of their improvements in CO2 and the sustainability of the woods and the leathers and all the materials we use, we're going to remove any question mark from all of those future products, because now the technology and the traceability is possible. It wasn't 10 years ago. So we're on a mission.
One thing is we are going more to electrify our vehicles. That means next year we will launch 2 plug-in hybrids. Plug-in hybrids at the end is the best of both worlds. That means the customer can decide when to go on internal combustion engine, when to go electrified. And for him individually, he can reduce the fuel consumption massively, especially by charging the car, what our customers, by the way, are doing. And by 2026, we will have all of our cars plug-in hybrid or electric. That's a strong message, really, in that direction.
And also, you're aiming for a full battery electric vehicle by 2025 as well.
Yeah, Vicky, for sure, the future of Bentley will be fully electric. We are believing in that, and it fits very well to Bentley, to the driving, and it will be full electric. And we are not working only on one car, we are working on a family of electric cars. And the first to come on a totally new platform, a real Bentley, by 2025. And as I said, then 1 year later, we will have only plug-in hybrids or electric car, great Bentley, and for that, or with that, we think we are ready for the future.
Hello, Chris.
Hello,
could you kindly build on what Matthias was saying and explain a bit more about why sustainability is becoming increasingly important to customers?
Well, we've all seen the enormous shift that's taken place on this topic over the last few years. But when we look to our audience, they're actively taking responsibility for this. This is a platform for us to go out there and develop new sustainable materials, new craftsmanship, taking Bentley further into the next century, and that is something then that we can take greater value out of further down the line.
Our aim is, of course, to become benchmark in the luxury car industry. To be leader in sustainable luxury, of course highly profitable. We will maximize our opportunities on product and service side, on the revenue side. Then we will use the synergies of the group, which offers outstanding technologies and where we can build on, of course, always delivering a true Bentley. And third, we will digitize our whole processes, the whole company, from purchasing, manufacturing up to the customer, to the sales, and digitalize our processes. These in combination will give us a really sustainable, profitable business case. And of course, this in a very sustainable approach in an economic, environmental and social way.
So we have all committed that we believe it's important to put the emphasis on the diversity, and for that we have given us the target that by 2025 we want to be at 30% of diversity in our management team, again with people coming from all walks of life. The main topics we are going to address, of course, is on the one hand to encourage young people to get into areas like STEM and technology and digital, which we're doing, for example, in our Future Talent program. But going beyond that on the recruitment side, it is also to allowing our colleagues that we have to upskill and to reskill in topics of our e-academy. And then when it comes to the talent pipeline and to the development opportunities and succession plannings again, making sure that the best people from all walks of life are considered. And then finally, it's about a workplace environment that allows you to be creative, but also to engage. It's about on-site, our Bentley campus, but on the other hand as well, it's about having a remote working opportunity that allows you nowadays to combine all needs into a really satisfactory work environment and a career. So in the end, I think it's all about for Bentley to become really the employer of choice. And as such, being driven by our clear brand values, vision and mission, and our values to align with our customers when it comes to sustainability, innovation and collaboration, which I believe are more important in this digital world than ever before.
Yeah, lovely to hear that. Thank you so much, Astrid. Thank you. And Adrian, how invested is Crew to delivering these values?
We want to create a carbon neutral company end to end by 2030. We'll make sure that the products from 2026, everything we offer, will be electrified, only electrified, either plug-in hybrid with a credible range or a BEV. And by 2030, no more combustion engines. I'll just repeat that. A 100-year-old company that's renowned for the best 12-cylinder and most successful 12-cylinder in the world will not be building engines in less than a decade. This is profound change for the industry, and we want to lead that change. We're not frightened by it, we're inspired by it. So all of this wrapped together is what we call Beyond 100. That's the core of our strategy. And the most important thing is not to just make electric cars. It's not just to make sustainable cars. We're going to make Bentleys. And we're going to take that 100 years of DNA and transfer that into a modern context through design, through content, but we'll make sure we maintain all the wonderful things that people buy in our brand. The craftsmanship, the potent design, the effortless performance, and that total feeling of being in something extraordinary, magical, on an everyday basis, which only Bentley offers the way we do.
Thank you very much indeed for joining us from your home, from your office, wherever you have been. Thank you very much indeed.